Hi, hello, and welcome to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. This is the IKEA store tour part 3 video. In case you have not seen the part 1 and the part 2 video of the IKEA store tour, please check the description box below for the video link. So now I am in the kids section. So these are the kids furniture. So you can either use them in your kids room, or maybe in case you run a preschool or a daycare, you can use these kind of furnitures there as well. My son really liked this mat and we had got one. So these are the different types of mats or the rugs. And these are all the stationery items. And again, there is a small setup that is displayed here. A chest of drawers and a small wardrobe for the kids' room. And here is the mattress for kids and the bed covers for the kids mattress. So again, they are available in different sizes depending upon the size of the mattress. So in case you are looking for a newborn baby, then you have that size also available, or if you are looking for a toddler, then that is also available. And here is some plastic cutleries, which are simple, beautiful and colorful. The kids would love to have some snack or some fruits using them. Or you can also use these plastic ones in case you throw a birthday party. So that's a 4-piece eating set available in different colors. So that's the high chair, which is priced at 999, I think, which is great for 999. This is a tiffin box or a snack box. So now I am coming down. So this is the place which we had not visited, as soon as we entered the store. So this is the kitchen section. So this floor starts with all different kinds of, these are the colorful dustbins, the simple plastic dustbins. And again, there are some spice jars. Set of 4 for 99 rupees. They are glass spice jars. And this is a pretty flower vase for 89 rupees. And these are kitchen towels. And again, some kids cups and bowls. This is a travel pouch. And these are chopping boards, and these are foldable chopping mats. And again, the chopping boards were of various sizes, so you can buy a smaller one for fruits and a bigger one for the regular vegetables. Again, this is a chopping board. these are Colanders, and I really like this white one. These are the plastic Colanders, and these are the stainless steel ones. So this section has the knives, peelers and graters. And this section also has stainless steel and silicone ladles. This is one of the most useful items in the kitchen, the plastic clips to cover the opened packets. So again, these are set of 4 ladles. And this section has got the non-stick pans, tawas and so on. And the good thing about Ikea is, even in case you are using a different pan or a tawa for which your glass lid has got broken, you can pick up a glass lid separately from here, which I found it to be extremely nice, because I have pans where my glass lids have broken and I could match them perfectly by just buying the glass lid from here. And these are 3-liter vessel with handles and a glass lid for 469 rupees. Again, I think for 469 rupees the quality is very good and the look is also great. So this section has all the different types of stainless steel cook pots available, from the smallest to the biggest, like 10-15 liter capacity. You can see the huge display of different pots and pans of various sizes. So this is a siever. So we are in the baking section now. So I also like this, this hand siever. So next, now I am into the crockery section, which is one of my favorite section. So Ikea has a huge variety of crockery. And these are called Ikea's Corkin jars. Again, these are available in different sizes. I really like this Corkin jar because they will remain airtight and is also transparent from the top and the sides. So this is for the kids' tiffin for the school. So now moving on. They have these traditional stainless steel containers which can be used to store rice, atta, and so on, and they have the plastic ones as well. So all their plastic products they claim to be BPA free, so which is food safe. These are the kitchen hand gloves, and the next to that is the kitchen towel. They are the dish draining mat. And these are the cereal storage containers. They are the plastic ones. Again, they are BPA free and they are food safe. So this is the way you can organize your pantry, just like the way they have shown. So in this arrangement they have used both glass jars and the plastic cereal containers. So you can use a combination of them, or you can just use all glass jars or all plastic. That's completely your choice. So these are travel pouches available in different colors. We had also seen a red one while entering this floor in the starting of this video. And these are different types of water bottles. So the good thing about Ikea is they have the plastic container or the glass container, that is the bottom portion separate and the lid separate. So for me, in my case, I have many glass containers, but the lid has lost its life because the rubber washer is not good. So I can pick up a lid alone separately and match it with my existing glass container instead of buying the entire set. So I've kind of found this extremely useful since they are available separately. So these are the dining table placemats along with the dining table runner. And they have a matching napkin set also along with the placemat, so you can use those napkins in case you are throwing a party or when you have the guests coming over. This is a simple tray for 129 rupees. So these are different types of jugs which can be used for storing juices or water. And I really like that white teapot. And one good thing I like about their crockery is usually in Indian market you find really bright and bright colored crockery stuff, but here you get really pale and subtle colored crockeries, which I absolutely love. So these are the regular plates and mixing bowls and so on. And these are the dinner sets. So one particular set is available in a single color, but you can also individually take them and mix and match the crockery colors. So you can mix and match the plate color and the bowl, or vice versa. I really like this pastel baby pink. This is 59 rupees. One single plate costs 59 rupees. These are good ceramic plates. So their crockery collection is huge and huge. It's, you may get confused what to buy and what not to buy. So now moving on, these are the cushion covers. And these are the pendant lamps, which is around 1300 rupees. So this section is full of cushion covers, throws and bolster pillows. The cushion and the cushion covers are also available separately, and they are also available as a set. So these are for 99 rupees, cushion cover summer. And these are cushion pads which can be used on a stool. And these are cushion pads for the chair. So in case you have a wooden dining table with a wooden chair set, then you can use these cushion pads on your dining chairs. And these are roller blinds available in different sizes, so you can pick one depending upon the size of your window. So these are double bed sheet with 2 pillow covers. It's a set and they are priced at 1500. So as you saw the board, we are in this section called bed textiles. So you get many comforters, bed sheets, pillow covers separately as a set, duvet covers and so on. So this particular set costs 799 rupees. So they have a huge range in their bed sheets collection. So they have quite a lot of options, color options and print options in the bed sheets range. So they have the solids, they have the florals, and they also have the geometric patterns. So all these set costs around 1400 to 1500 in that range. And they're all 100% cotton and their quality is absolutely great. And moving on, these are the kids bed sheets options. So what you can do is you can pick up a solid bed sheet and a printed one, and you can also mix and match the bed sheet and the pillow covers so that they appear bright and also appear as a different bed sheets rather than traditionally using the matched pillow covers. You can always combine the pillow covers and the bed sheet with solid and the printed ones. And these are the quilt covers which were in offer. So it was $12.90 for a king sized quilt cover. And these are the double bed sized quilt covers, that is the queen size, which is costing $999. These are the quilt covers with 2 pillow covers as a set. And these are the options for the kids quilt covers along with 2 pillow covers as a set. And these are bath mats priced at $279. So they were of extremely good quality. I think for $279 it was a great deal. And you have bath towels and all the bath related stuffs like bath robes and bath towels, bath hand towel, and so on. So you can also mix and match or create a color theme in case you want to do it in your bathroom. Like you can pick up a color of a bathrobe and a hand towel and your bath towel, maybe in the same color, or you may also mix and match them according to the color scheme you would like to do. So guys, as this video is getting a bit lengthier, I am also going to do the part 4, which will be the last part of the IKEA store tour. So I hope you liked watching this video. If yes, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Sizzling Vidya YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.